Did you know beavers can reshape entire landscapes? These furry builders create dams that form new wetlands. They chew down trees using their powerful front teeth. Then they drag branches and mud to block streams. The result? A pond that grows larger day by day. Beavers do this to protect their lodges from predators. Their lodges are cozy homes with underwater entrances. Inside, they stay warm, dry, and safe from danger. But there's more to it than just building a home. Beaver dams slow water flow and prevent erosion. They help create habitats for fish, frogs, and birds. The new wetlands support hundreds of species. Water stored by dams also reduces the risk of drought. Even nearby plants grow better with more moisture. Beaver activity filters water and traps sediments. That means cleaner rivers downstream. Scientists call them ecosystem engineers because their work transforms entire environments. Even abandoned dams leave lasting effects. New plant life takes over the rich, muddy soil. Beavers are vital to forest and stream health. In some areas, they're reintroduced to fix damaged land. They can restore balance without human tools. Their teeth never stop growing, so they keep chewing. That's why they constantly reshape the world around them. One family can change the course of a small river. Their teamwork is instinctive and efficient. Each beaver plays a role in construction. Even young tits help gather sticks and mud. They work mostly at night, staying hidden from view. And in winter, their lodges stay warm inside. Nature gave them everything they need to build. And what they build helps countless other creatures. Beavers show how small animals can have big impact.